parent and community member are committed to making this work for our students to ensure that they're college and career ready in the future.
Winooski is a really exciting community in large part because it looks really different than a lot of the state of Vermont. It's very unique. The school is the heart of the community.
Over the past few years, the Winooski School District, with the support of the community, has done a really great job of providing supports to meet the needs of all of our different learners. Over the past 10 years, as our student population has continued to grow and is projected to continue to grow in the future, we've added a myriad of programs to support the changing needs of our students. And with that comes the changing of an existing facility. The biggest challenges that we have with the existing building right now is the fact that it was patched together over 50, 60 years.
We're at a point in this school where the majority of the infrastructure is 50 plus years old. You've gotten a good amount of life out of them and really squeezed them for all they're worth.
It's very clear that we have a dire need to fix some significant parts of our facility like boilers and roofs, and that needs to be done immediately.
There is no other solution than to replace the roof, the whole roof throughout the whole school. But if you do that too, you've also got to repair the structural damage that the roof has done right around the perimeter of the building. It's essentially shrunk and pulled all the bricks in and cracked them all. The boilers, especially in the Middleton service, there's 2 boiler rooms. The ones in the high school are 26 years old. Efficiency-wise, compared to what you can get these days, it's nowhere near it. Where it really lacks is insulation, both in the walls and the windows throughout the school. At some stage, for whatever reason, all the insulation was ripped out of the middle school, high school boiler room. Who knows what's in the walls?
This school doesn't reflect the modern education, and we need something which can reflect what we are doing here.
When I come to the school and see that the nurses' space is so limited and so small, I realize that that's really a challenge. We need to do something to improve that space, to make it more compatible with the needs of the students and with the nurses.
The need, just looking around, is so readily apparent. We have the eye and ear exams going on in the hallway.
Having a space that's more adjusted, more accessible, more spacious. They need a little more space. They're like on top of each other in there. It's not a good setup.
My office is repurposed for speech and language therapy, and my desk is actually in what used to be the closet, and my storage space is the repurposed bathroom.
We need to grow students of all diverse backgrounds and have them want to stay and come back and teach and put back into a community.
Winooski is an incredibly diverse and close-knit community. It is the place where families from all different backgrounds, languages, and experiences come together and form really the heart of this community and build a strong fabric for this community.
We are grateful that parents trust us each day when they send our children to us at our schools. And we take that responsibility very seriously. And we believe that with these upgrades and the modernization of our facility, that we can truly reach new heights for our students.
These are students here today, but they're our future community members of tomorrow. And we want them to stay here. And there's nothing more powerful than saying like, hey, we helped give you the curriculum, the teachers that are first rate. Now you matter by giving us a first rate building.
Get some love. Haters don't like it, but I get it.